many of you have cleaned your house top to bottom maybe a few times over the last couple of weeks, and now you have all this junk and you don't know what to do with it? Our next guest definitely knows what to do with it. His name is Kevin Walters. He is the general manager of 1-800 Got Junk. Kevin, I love your commercials. They are definitely working. And for
Awesome.
people who have cleaned out their homes, how does this process work?
Yeah, Laura, great question. It's real simple. You can either go online to start out your booking, just www.1800gotjunk.com, or we have a
Mhm.
24/7 call center, just calling 1-800-GOT-JUNK, which is 1-800-468-5865, and they're always available and ready to take calls just to get it going. But give them a ring. We can typically offer same-day service. They'll set you up with a non-obligated appointment, get you on our schedule, and you're going to get two healthy individuals coming on out to give you a hand with that junk removal. Full service, absolutely.
And what does that full service junk removal mean?
Yeah, full service. It's as simple as it sounds. Just like a commercial, point a finger and we'll make it disappear. So our crews will come to the property. The best way that I can explain it, upstairs, downstairs, in the attic, under the deck, we're going to do everything. You don't have to lift a
Mhm.
finger. We'll obviously keep our spatial distance of 6 feet or greater if we're coming in that
Mhm.
property. But just let us know what you'd like to have done, and we take care of everything else. No effort on your part. Top to bottom, we'll take care of it.
You mentioned that social distancing. How else have you guys adapted your business?
Obviously it's an interesting time here for us and St. Louis community and just the world itself. And we're doing our part just by obviously
Mhm.
providing our guys with a lot of the tools that they need in the trucks, masks, gloves, disinfectant happening before
Mhm.
and after each and every job. And of course, just asking clients to respect the 6 foot social distance, and we'll do the same. A
Mhm.
lot of clients are also choosing if they want to get things to the garage or to the driveway. If they want to go like with a full no contact experience, they can do that as well. And that way we can get
Mhm.
that estimate, quote, price approval, everything
Mhm.
done with a no contact experience. So we're really just working with the means of each and every client and what best suits them. And
It's amazing what you're doing, and better yet, you guys are hiring, which is huge news, where so many people have been laid off
absolutely.
or potentially furloughed. So, yes, they are hiring if you are looking for a job. Kevin, keep up the
Yeah.
good work. And if you guys want to get in contact with Kevin and his team to schedule a pickup, give these guys a call at 1-800 Got Junk. It doesn't get